Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon jerky in the oven. Start with the right bacon. Select thick-cut bacon, about 1/8 of an inch for optimal results. Preheat your oven to a low 200 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure a slow, even drying process. Line a baking sheet with foil for easy cleanup, then place a wire rack on top. This setup allows air to circulate around the bacon, promoting uniform dehydration. Before seasoning, pat your bacon thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect jerky texture. Now, it's time to add flavor. Sprinkle your favorite dry rub evenly over both sides, or simply use a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. Place the seasoned bacon on the wire rack and bake for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial bake helps render some of the excess fat. After the initial bake, reduce your oven temperature to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This lower heat is key for the slow dehydration process. Continue baking, flipping the bacon every 30 minutes to ensure even drying on both sides. The total dehydration time will vary, typically between 2 to 4 hours, depending on your bacon's thickness and your desired level of chewiness. Keep an eye on it to prevent over-drying. Once your bacon jerky reaches the perfect texture, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely on the wire rack. This cooling period is essential for it to firm up properly. Store your delicious homemade jerky in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, or refrigerate for longer freshness. It's a fantastic snack. And hey, for more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look for the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.